Attention Android enthusiasts and AI lovers. In this exciting video, I will guide you through the fascinating process of installing ChatGPT on your Android phone. This is going to be done using WhatsApp. Discover how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence right on your fingertips, engaging in captivating conversations with the advanced language model ChatGPT from setup to usage. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you're equipped to dive into the world of AI-driven conversations. Watch this video till the end to unleash the full potential of ChatGPT on your Android device. Get ready to revolutionize your messaging experience. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials. Let's dive in. So welcome back everyone. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch your browser and then you're going to search for schmooze.ai. Okay, schmooze.ai. You're going to click on enter. The website is going to load up and it is going to display a page where it says unleash the power of AI with our WhatsApp bot. Okay, just below that you're going to click on start schmoozing. Okay, and it is going to direct you to your WhatsApp, of course. So you're going to click on continue to chat, and by default a message saying let's schmooze is already there, so you're just going to click on that, and the bot is going to prompt you, welcome to schmooze. By continuing to use this service, you give consent to our privacy policy. You can read the privacy policy if you want to. I am here to assist you with almost any question you have. Click on one of the examples below to see what we can schmooze about. Okay, now if you click on select, it is going to tell you that it can write an email to your client requesting payment for the last invoice. Okay, let me just click on that so that you can see what schmooze can do. Okay, you're going to click on send, and you're going to give it time to process, and just within seconds schmooze wrote the email. So another thing I did was I told schmooze to write me a step-by-step guide on how to install Kali Linux on an Android device. Okay, on how to install Kali Linux on an Android device, and I clicked enter, and just within seconds it gave me a full guide on how to install Kali Linux on an Android device. Just like ChatGPT, Schmooze gave you your answer almost immediately. Schmooze was actually built from ChatGPT API. Okay, so we're going to try another thing. I'm going to tell Schmooze to write me a login code in HTML. Okay, so write me a code for a login page on a website. And just after a few seconds, Schmooze gave me this code. So as you can see, the code mostly comprises HTML, and I think a little bit of PHP. Okay, so I copied this code, and I saved it as an HTML file, and when I viewed it, this is what it looks like. So I continued enjoying ChatGPT, but after some time I got the message that I have reached the maximum amount of messages for the free trial. So I was asked to subscribe for $9.99 per month. Okay, and when I clicked on the $9.99 per month message, I was prompted to tell ChatGPT that I wanted to subscribe. Okay, so I wrote the subscribe message to ChatGPT, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. After typing $9.99 per month, I wrote subscribe. Okay, and once the message was sent, I was given a link to check out my subscription. So you click on that link, and it is going to open a Stripe checkout page for you, as you can see. So we're going to wait for that to load up. And now that it is loaded, this is what the page is going to look like. You're going to see an add code button right there. If you click on that, you're going to be told to enter a promotional code, but let me skip that for now. When we head to the body of this page, you're going to see where it says unlimited messages per month for $9.99, 99 cents. So you're going to be paying $9.99 per month of a subscription, to be able to use ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. without restrictions. So you're going to enter your card information, you're going to enter your email address, you're going to enter the month and the year of expiry, and you're going to enter the 3-digit codes that is at the back of your ATM card. Then you're going to enter the name on the card, you're going to enter your country, region, and then you're going to click on continue. But then by entering my promo code, okay, in the ad code, by entering my promo code Usman10, you're going to be given a 10% discount on your subscription, which means instead of them charging you $9.99, you're going to be charged $8.99. So when you're done entering the code Usman10, just click on apply, and you're going to see that it is going to change from $9.99 to $8.99. So you're going to get 10% off, okay, by using my promo code Usman10, okay. Remember, Shmooze AI does everything ChatGPT does, okay? So you can first try out the free version, let it work for you and see how it works. And if you're okay with it, if you're cool with the way it works, you can decide to subscribe if you wish. And once you're done with all of this, just click on, check out, and you're going to check that out, and you're going to be emailed, and then you're going to get, ChatGPT free for 1 full month, okay. Remember, the subscription is monthly subscription, so it's the money you pay is just for 1 month. After clicking on security, save my information, for one click checkout, you're going to enter your phone number and you're going to click on subscribe. So that is how it is done. Yeah, that is how you install ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, okay. So please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to reply you as soon as I can. So that is going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.